Nestled in the misty highlands of Karnataka, where the western Ghats touch the clouds, lies a land of enchantment. Malnad, known for the land of rain, it's a place of emerald rainforests, rolling hills, and the rich tapestry of life. This is the land that doesn't just need the body but nourishes the soul. Hello or Namaskar, मैं हूँ Rahul, and today we are going into a very unique place which you have never heard of before and very original and a definitive place. This is called the Tambuli Mane. Have you heard of this leaf? Let me come with me, let me eat and let me explain. Follow me. And from its lush fertile soil and ancient culinary wisdom comes a unique tradition, a dish that captures the very essence of coolness and comfort. They call it Tambuli. So here we are in the dining area, and today our shoot is being in Ganesh Chaturthi season. They will be serving us a special meal. And let me tell you some things about this outlet. This outlet doesn't use any artificial color, no processed oils, and everything natural, and even the ingredients are taken from farms from Malnad itself, a region in Karnataka. Finally, to give it, they don't even use polished rice. They use unpolished rice. So we are going to have a beautiful natural experience where you'll find cold pressed oils being used and very authentic vegetarian classy food from a region in Malnad. Okay.
Jaggery.
Okay. And also one more thing, they do not use sugar, they only use pure unrefined jaggery to make the sweets. Which I think so this is going to be a very telling experience to me and a eye opener to what is proper natural food.
Sea salt.
Yeah, sea salt, okay. Okay. What pickle is this? Mango pickle.
Chutney.
Which chutney, sir?
Gunguru leaf.
Gunguru chutney. Okay.
Mirchi.
Okay.
Gokarna mirchi.
Gokarna mirchi. Okay, perfect. Can't wait to experience the entire cuisine here, which is so original and so unique. I don't think so you would get this anywhere else in India other than Malnad. Yeah. And now in Bangalore.
Wholesome, sir.
Kosambari, okay. What is this?
Cabbage palle.
Cabbage paneer. Thank you.
Get in hand.
Okay.
Like a prasada.
So this is the Panchakanjaya, which is a prasadam traditionally made for today's festival. Yeah, kind of pulse ground with jaggery. Yeah,
Chutney.
nice.
Tasty. Not like other chutney.
Okay, done. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. So the chakuli is a kind of melt in your mouth. I'll try this. Just a small piece. Yeah, very delicious. You have put the powdered salt from outer side.
Not lemon rice. Roti kai.
Okay.
Roti kai.
Now again, the lemon rice which is made is not made from the normal lime. It's made from a thing called dodlikai, which is a big lime, which has a bitterish overthrow. I've tasted it, yeah. And it's got a very, very strong lemon flavor to it. Yeah.
This is the special fruit.
Patrode, yeah?
Kai kadu.
Huh?
Kai kadu.
Thai kadubu.
You can open it, sir.
And then they pour some ghee over it. It's a kind of rice pancake stuffed with. Let me open it the other way around here. Rice pancake stuffed with a jaggery and coconut filling. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, sure. Thank you.
Akki roti.
Akki roti. Okay. Okay. Chalo. I have to eat it with akki roti, right?
Akki roti.
Curd. Okay. So here they give a chutney puri which has to be mixed with curd and eaten with akki roti. So now this, I'm making it into 3 parts where they're going to give us 3 types of tambuli. By the end of the video, I'll explain what is tambuli. So for the first time in my life, I'm going to try something called tambuli. Tambuli is made of curd mixed with the certain ingredient. Like they have put a unique leaf to this, which you don't get anywhere else but Malnad. This they've used fresh turmeric, and here they've used methi, which is fenugreek. Yes. Mm. Very buttermilk kind of touch with that leaf flavor coming out. Amazing, yeah, beautiful. Wow. Now let me try the fresh turmeric buttermilk, which is called the tambuli. Yeah, it ground fresh turmeric. Definitely gives a throw. Lovely. And finally, the fenugreek or the methi. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let me go to the akki roti and let me mix this first. Chutney powder, and then let me taste how does it taste. Interesting. So what do you put in the? You put pulses, kada? Grounded. Okay, peanuts. Okay. So it's a peanut chutney powder, which is mixed with curd. Delicious, beautiful. And this has not been overdone, so it's very soft. Akki roti is very soft. Finally, let me try this mix. This is very famous towards Dakshin Kannada and this area, Malnad area. Yeah. Delicious. The customer is excellent. The gongura chutney, like unlike Andhra, the gongura chutney is more flavor. They have used minimum gongura and a lot of other ingredients like they have put a little bit of spice in it, which could be the red chili spice, and they've used bird eye chili, which the bird eye chili is a chili which is they call Kandari chili. Kandari mensu they call it in Kannada, and they put a little bit of pulse in it, which is beautiful. Now let me try the. What rice is this? Dodlikai rice. Yeah, the lemon which is there. A completely different lemon. Yeah, you get the strong flavor of that big lemon. So, let me tell you, this lemon, other than this place, you'll get to see it used in Indonesia a lot. Yeah. And even bird eye chili is a famous ingredient which is used in Thai and Vietnamese cooking. Now you get it here also. Yeah, beautiful. Finally, I die for pickle. This is Pakka Dakshin Kannada pickle. Mango soaked in salt, and then they mix the final chili and everything into it finally. But this is soaked for months together in the salt. That's what you get in the flavor. Yeah. And let's try the unpolished sea salt. Mm. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
A light yogurt-based elixir, Tambuli is more than just a dish. It's a refreshing start to a traditional meal crafted from fresh greens, coconuts, spices, known for its cooling and medicinal properties. The name itself comes from Tampu, meaning cool. So, how do you bring this taste of the misty Malnad to the vibrant heart of Bangalore?
This is the dish of the day. Now I've got an idea, I'll go home and try this thing. The kothambari is very well made. What is so nice about this meal is everything is fresh. It feels like it's just been picked up from the garden and made. Wow. I'm loving this meal. You come to Bangalore, search for Tambuli Mane. They have 4 branches. The closest branch, please go try if you love good quality vegetarian. Now let me quickly go to the sweets.
The sweet which I am eating is called the Kai Kadugu.
Wow. Wow. Something I didn't expect it being so good. I don't know how did they so finely grind the or scrape the coconut. The coconut is very, very finely scraped with the jaggery used. Yeah. And normally when I eat this dish, normally they put ilachi. The good thing is they don't have ilachi. That's nice. They've used cloves with the jaggery and boiled rice. Very simple, very nice. This is the kind of food I think so every person will die for. Really does. This is swaki with dantan satisfier. It's very good for digestion and to take the inner fever from you from inside is what they said. So it's very medicinal. Let me give it a shot. Oh, okay. Nice. This is very unique to me, sir. I get a mild taste of gooseberry also in it. Pepper. Delicious. And I swear I don't know what mixed it. Normally I can catch taste. But definitely I get a flavor of gooseberry in that. Nice. Cheers.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಅಂತ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ತಂಬಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಟರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಬೆ ಶುಂಠಿ ಅಂತ, ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಶುಂಠಿದ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಮನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಬಾಡಿ ತಂಪು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬ್ರಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಒಂದೆಲಗ, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಪತ್ರೆನೂ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪತ್ರೆ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಟರ್ಮರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ, ರಾ ಟರ್ಮರಿಕ್. ಇದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ವೆದರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಟ್ಮಗ್ ಅಂತ, ರಾ ನಟ್ಮಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಡೈಜೆಷನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತಂಬಳಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 50+ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 8 ವೆರೈಟಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ಏನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಲೆಮನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜಿಂಜರು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು.
The gentleman at the counter explained to us the different varieties of tambuli, which is available at the counter, which they sell it to the customers who don't want to dine but just want to come and cherish this wonderful drink.
Something so unique that they have used their local ingredients to make the pani. Yeah, and plus they put sprouts inside the puri. It's not fried. It's very healthy, and this is a jaggery based sweet. surely original. That's how it is. Wow. Why not? One more. And this time I'll mix some sweet to it. And see what do I think about it. Ooh. Leafy, organic, delicious Pani Puri.
The Pani Puri was so original yet delicious. The sprouts put up a different perspective of eating healthy but still not losing on delicious food. And need to call Pani Puri junk food anymore? No, not necessarily.
Yeah, so we are over with a wonderful experience. Never had something like this before. I think so. It's really worthwhile. Fantastic vegetarian food. No colors, everything natural. So hope you like this video. Until then, the next time, please share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video soon. Bye.